know about you, but I am always on the lookout for a good dip to bring to those parties and family functions, game nights, tailgating parties. That season is coming upon us really fast. The dip that I'm going to share with you today is amazing. It is my garlic cheese bread dip. It is so good. It takes everything that you expect to find in a garlic bread and puts it into a dip, and all those flavors just meld together, and the garlic and the cheesiness. It is just oh so good. So let's just get out in the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this. To get started, we need to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Next, into a small pan or saucepan, you're just going to put a little bit of olive oil, and then you are going to put in 3 cloves of garlic and about 2 tablespoons of minced shallot. And all we're looking to do with this is to just get that shallot nice and softened, and just to get that garlic a little bit fragrant. You do not want to overcook this. You definitely don't want to burn your garlic. Probably want this on medium-low heat, and just let that soften for a minute or so, and then remove that from heat and set it aside. Next, we're going to add all the rest of our ingredients to a mixing bowl. I am using my stand mixer because it's going to be easier for me, but you can use just a regular bowl and a hand mixer. That'll work just as well. But into the mixing bowl, we are going to add 1.5 cups of cream cheese. You do want to use softened cream cheese for this. Mine has been sitting out for about 45 minutes and is nice and soft. Next, you're going to want to add 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayo, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. I am using both shredded Parmesan cheese and grated Parmesan cheese. You want 1/2 cup. Then we're going to take our garlic and shallot mixture and put that in. A sprinkling or 2 of just plain pepper. And I like to kick things up a little bit, so I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning blend. Now we're just going to pull the stand mixer down, lock that into place, and let this go on medium for about a minute or so, just until everything is nice and mixed together. Once the mixture is all mixed together and ready to go into the pan, we are just going to spray a 9x5 small baking dish so it won't stick. And then we're going to take our mixture, put it in there nice and even. Like I said, this comes together really quick and it is so good. The longest part for this recipe is the time that it has to spend in the oven. And just spread that out into a nice even layer. Now we just need to put this in the oven and let that cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it is bubbly and a little bit golden brown on the top. So while that is baking in the oven, I like to decide what I want to serve this up with. This pairs wonderfully with my cheddar jalapeno bread, and I will leave that linked down in the description box. But today I'm going to be pairing it with just some toasted up sourdough bread that I have. You could pair this with chips, crackers, whatever you want. It's going to be good. But since it's a garlic bread cheesy dip, I like to serve it up with a little bit of bread. So to get that going, I'm just going to layer my bread on baking sheet. So all I'm going to do is just drizzle these little bit of toast with some olive oil. And then I'm just going to put that in the oven and let that bake it with the dip for about 10 minutes or so, and these will be nice and toasty and just absolutely perfect for our dip. All right, the toast just came out of the oven and it looks perfect and is going to be ready for this dip. All right, it's been 25 minutes and it's time to get this out of the oven. And oh, cheesy golden brown goodness. It smells so good. And to finish this off, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of fresh parsley on the top. Now you do want to let this sit for about 5-10 minutes before you try and eat it, because it will burn the heck out of you right now. It is way too hot. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, it's time to dig in. I am so excited about being able to dig into this. It's still pretty hot, but I did let it sit for about 10 minutes or so. This smells amazing. Okay, here we go. First of all, this dip never disappoints. I like it because it's a little something different. I mean, you usually have like your Velveeta based dips, your con queso dips, your buffalo chicken dips. This is just a little bit different, and it's got all the flavor notes. That garlic and shallot come through great. I mean, it's not overpowering. It's got a little bit of a spice kick because of the red chili flakes that we put on there. This is so good and will not disappoint. And it will definitely elevate your dip game. Trust me. I really hope you make this one. It is one that will not disappoint. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. And I do have a lot more content for you to check out over here. Yeah, I hope you have an amazing week. Definitely make this. You will not be disappointed. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.